Hi there, I'm John from CNCKing.com, and today we're going to anneal some stainless steel sandals. I've made a lot of videos here showing how we make stuff out of metal, whether it's stamped, whether it's laser cut, or whether it's water jet cut. In this case here, the customer already had a whole bunch of these things laying around. What they are bottle openers, so you can see here. But in your case, if you wanted something like this here in the shape of whatever you wanted, we can actually make that for you as well. So what we did here, we used our fiber laser. The machine behind me is our Austrian CNC laser, and it has both a CO2 and a fiber laser source. And the reason that is important, because we can technically do this using a CO2 source, using something called CerMark. The problem with CerMark is that it comes off. The advantage of using fiber is that because we haven't added anything to the metal, all we did was temper it. There's nothing to come off. So as you can see here, the annealing that was done on this stainless steel sandal, let's wait for the focus to work here, if ever. This was annealed. So let's take a look at this being done with our industrial laser. My company makes a lot of custom metal plates for a variety of different applications. In this case here, it's most likely 314 stainless steel with a nice brush finish. This one here is 316 stainless steel, much thicker plate. So whatever kind of thickness of stainless steel that you want to have us make something for you, we can do that. Another option for bottle openers, a standard shape, would be this here. It's roughly the size of a business card. And this one shows the annealing a little bit better just because there's more annealing happening on it. In this case here, it's for welding applications. The nice thing about using stainless steel or anodized aluminum for, let's say, our welding tags, for instance, is you could actually weld this to the project. Now for weddings, if you're a welder, we can make all the metal things for you and you can weld the project together at your end. So we can work with whatever sort of application and creativity that you have. What we'll do now, we'll take a look at our industrial laser making this. And of course, in addition to custom welding tags and whatever else out of metal that you want done, we also do a lot of stainless steel business cards. This one here looks really rough, and that's just because I use it to hold things down in the shop. So this is about 3 years old, and it's been hit by fiber, it's been hit by CO2, it's fallen on the ground, it's been left outside. Anything that could be done to this thing has been done to it. And you can still see the annealing is perfectly solid. And if you look based on the shine, you can see that there was nothing lifted on the surface. So even if I'm gouging this out, I actually have to remove the metal as part of the gouging. I did have a project a couple weeks back where we had plates like this, and we actually had to remove all the surface stuff on it because it was annealed previously. And that took about an hour a plate using a sand belt, angle grinder, and a bunch of other tools. And then after that, what we did is we annealed on top of that again. So let's say you have something and you want to change it later on. It is possible. It's just a lot of work. So whether you want standard bottle openers or totally custom bottle openers or anything else made out of metal, contact me at CNCKing.com and we can make it for you.